Good day, entrepreneurs. As a small business owner, you might have heard the term LLC Operating Agreement once or twice. But what exactly is it? And why is it crucial to your business? Let's unpack that. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure that combines the benefits of a partnership and a corporation. Last year, over 2.5 million new businesses in the U.S. chose the LLC structure. This brings us to an important document every LLC should have: the operating agreement. An LLC operating agreement is the legal document that outlines the ownership and member duties of your LLC. Think of it as a user manual for your business, guiding how your company should be run. It's so vital that nearly 80% of business attorneys consider it a top priority for LLCs. So what does an operating agreement cover? First up, it includes member roles and responsibilities. That means who does what in the business and who makes certain decisions. It's all documented here. Second, it covers the distribution of profits and losses. An LLC is flexible with profits and losses allocation, but the specifics have to be clearly stated in the operating agreement. In 2021, disputes over profit distribution accounted for about 40% of all business litigation cases. That's why it's critical to get this section right. The third part involves the provisions for leaving and adding members. Life happens. Members may leave or new ones may come in. The operating agreement outlines what happens in these cases. Lastly, it provides details on how to dissolve the LLC if it ever comes to that. Although it might seem gloomy to think about, planning for the end at the beginning can save a lot of headaches later on. Although most states don't legally require an operating agreement, having one provides protection and structure for your business. In a recent survey, nearly 70% of small business owners reported that having an operating agreement saved them from potential legal disputes. You are welcome to consult with our organization to help you craft an operating agreement that suits your business. To get started today, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our business registration experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an LLC operating agreement? Which benefit do you believe is the most important? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.